Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Making money through Awin involves utilizing their affiliate marketing platform to promote products or services from their wide range of advertisers. Begin by signing up for Awin and exploring their extensive network to find advertisers that align with your niche, audience, or interests. Choose products or services that you believe in and that would appeal to your audience. Ensuring relevance and potential interest. Create valuable content to promote these affiliate products or services. Develop content such as blog posts, reviews, videos, or social media posts that engage your audience and provide useful information about the products or services you're promoting. Offer genuine recommendations and solutions that address your audience's needs, encouraging them to click on your affiliate links. Utilize various marketing channels to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Implement SEO strategies to optimize your content for search engines, increasing its visibility and attracting organic traffic. Leverage social media platforms, email newsletters, or paid advertising to reach your audience and promote the affiliate products effectively. Regularly analyze your performance metrics through the Awin platform. Track click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings generated from your affiliate links. Use this data to identify high-performing offers, understand which strategies are working best, and optimize your promotional efforts to maximize your earnings potential. Experiment with different approaches, refine your content, and adapt your strategies based on the performance data. Remember, success in affiliate marketing through Awin requires consistency. Understanding your audience, providing valuable content, and continuously optimizing your marketing strategies. Building trust with your audience by offering authentic recommendations and focusing on delivering value can lead to higher conversions and increased earnings over time.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.